Hello YouTube. In an old video I showed you the Olight flashlight or work light, and I upgraded it with 2 magnets and a screw and a zip tie, so it could go on a crane arm like that. So it's rubberized, it's super strong to get off. Oh my god. So that's on there. You can angle it like how you want it. Awesome. This of course will go on the other end or on the arm, angled down. Oh my god, this is so hard on. See, there are the magnets and they're underneath the rubber, so you won't damage the surface. This is the sign of the stonemasons. This is not a political or religious symbol. It's the working stonemasons. Not the masons you know from the occult or something. This is natural stonemason, hammer and chisel workers have this sign. So just to be clear. So that's actually pretty cool, I guess. And then I was cleaning the truck because it had to go to inspection. And there are 3 of our money makers. Of course, I already showed you the unboxing when it came. So already 2 years ago, I guess. The big reciprocating saw, even with the Flexvolt. And one of the best tools is our big, how you call it, an angle grinder with a 230 millimeter blade, 23 centimeters, with the adjustable. You can adjust it easy, no tool, just push the latch back. You have to very powerful, like it very much. The battery pack, also the Flexvolt. There's the tool for changing the blade. There's even a little rubber seal, but I wouldn't say it's waterproof. It's just a little seal to help. And there's the water through here and out to the blade. We don't use this. We always use dry cutting blades. I have to fit the foundations on the graveyard to the next foundation, so this is one of the best tools I ever bought from DeWalt. Really helps us. It helps us from not having a generator and extension cords and normal grinders. This little machine does it all. And it's already 4 years old. There is an indicator if you press too hard or it's about to stall or get stuck. This will light up white. And it's also good. It's a little unusual with that handle. Normally you have those grip handles and a handle in the back where you hold the whole body. But I actually like it very much. One of the best machines DeWalt ever produced. And I'm sure other brands are also good, but we just ran with DeWalt because we're on the battery system. So, but this machine never disappointed me, never ever. Superb machine. And we paid full retail and on all of our stuff. So that's it for now. Habe die Ehre, like and subscribe.